Visual acuity is what a person sees and is measured by what they read off a chart. This is one of the most important outcomes measured following a cataract surgery. Typically, a patient is asked to cover each eye and thereafter responds to symbols from a chart at a distance. This is thus dependent on human response, light, and attention of the patient and the person recording. The current method of measurement involves the use of Snellen's chart and the involvement of skilled technicians for measuring visual acuity. What we propose is a digital app-based solution and a periscope which can give consistent and accurate readings. First, the field settings are identified. If there is no proper light ambience, then the display device is mounted on the periscope. Else, device is kept at a distance between 0.5 to 6 meter. This distance is fed to the app to accordingly render the chart. The Snellen's chart is read by the patient and accordingly the volunteer records the response of the patient in the remote app and the visual acuity is calculated. We have used the concept of ray optics and computer graphics to create a digital chart which is not affected by distance and ambience. We have created a Flask API and a socket because of which the Android applications were able to communicate with each other. We have hosted the database on Atlas MongoDB which stores the data of the patient. If the acuity is less than 6 by 6, then a pinhole occluder is used and the same test is performed again. If the vision is improved by using the occluder, then the patient has a refractive error which can be solved by using lenses. But if the vision is not improved, then the patient has an eye disease. If there is no proper light ambience, then the periscope is used. At one end of the periscope, a display device is mounted. The chart is controlled by the volunteer by using another remote application. At both ends of the periscope, there is a thin mirror placed at an angle of 45 degrees to reflect the light from the chart to the patient's eye. As we are using the periscope, there will be no effect of external light ambience. This solution can be used to conduct eye tests anywhere, especially in rural areas where there are very small rooms and ambience issues. Also, a variety of charts are provided in the application such as Landolt C, Standard Snellen's chart, Tumbling E, Colored chart and many others. So this solution is applicable to all the age groups whether literate or illiterate.